There are 18 vertical columns in the periodic table. These numbered groups can be further divided into two lettered groups, categorized A and B. The chemical reactions of elements in Group A are more accurately predictable than those of the elements found in Group B. Each vertical column is thus designated with a number and letter. Chemists also classify elements into classes based on other similar properties. Such classification includes metals, nonmetals, alkali metals, and others. These classes are distinguished by color on the periodic table. The tendency of elements with similar properties to occur at regular intervals and within visual groupings on the periodic table is known as the periodic law.